Hello, algebra. Looking out the back window, you're going to hear some noises like drilling and pounding. They're working on our roof right now. I'm just going to make you a quick video today covering what is called quadratic equations. Quadratic equations in the form of x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay, we've already done it. We've worked with it. I'll give you one right now. X squared minus 8x plus 12. We know because it's minus plus that it should go x minus x minus. We know that. Now to factor the number 12, we know it's 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. Those choices right there. But to make 8 in the middle, the only way it's going to make 8 in the middle is with 6 and 2. Being that they're both negative, it doesn't matter where we put the 6 and where we put the 2. That's the factoring that we were doing with polynomials just this last week. That's not that tough. Now they're taking this and setting this entire equation, x squared minus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0. And we have to figure out, when we factor the trinomial, what we can put in for the x values to make this statement equal to 0. So when we factor it into x minus 6, x minus 2, we set it equal to 0. Each part is set equal to 0. X minus 6 is equal to 0, and x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay? And you have to solve both of those equations. When you solve both of those equations, x here will become x equals 6, and here x will become 2. So your two choices for answers for this original quadratic equation up here, right in here, should be if x equals either, you remember that sucker, a positive 2 or a positive 6. Both of those are answers that could be placed in for the x value. So if I put 2 in here, 2 squared is 4, minus 8 times 2. 8 times 2 is 16. So 4 minus 16 is negative 12, plus 12, woohoo, equals 0. If I put the 6 in here, 6 times 6 is 36. 8 times 6 is 48. 36 minus 48 is negative 12. Negative 12 plus 12 still equals 0. So our two solutions to this problem are 2 and 6. Now, we're going to work in the book a little bit. I'm not assigning this yet. It'll come in the next couple days, but it'll be on page, there we are, 489. We're going to do some problems on that page. So if you want to get in there and start playing around with some stuff on page 489, you're more than welcome to. See you in a bit. I'll talk to you tomorrow.